Hello everyone. Today in this video, we will learn how to upload your first project on the GitHub. So those who are the beginner in the GitHub, like this video will be helpful for those person. So without wasting the further time, let's start on the things. So first thing is that what is GitHub? GitHub is a code repository where you can store or you can upload your code base. It's a web-based platform. So as I said that it's a web-based platform, then there will be a website for it. And the website name is github.com. So if you will go to the browser and open this github.com, so it will look like this. Like first thing is that like you have to create an account over there. You have to do the sign up, then you have to do the login over there. And then the interface will be look like this. Okay, now the second point is that like how we can upload our project on the GitHub, right? So to upload the project on the GitHub, the first step, we have to create a repository first. So create a repository on GitHub. The step is very simple. You have to go onto the GitHub, just click on this create repository, and then it will ask certain of the things to you. Then just put this repository name. Suppose I'm putting Spring Boot project. Now the description is optional. You can put any of the things in it, whatever you want. Like these are two options. Either you have to make your repository as a public or private. I'm marking it as public. Okay, so now create repository option. So once you will like done with those steps, then you can see this interface will be there, in which you can see there are certain commands that we have to run, right, to push your code onto the GitHub. So let me put down all those commands over there. Step is create a account on GitHub. The second step, create a repository. Then you will see these are the certain commands. So now you have to perform some of the steps in the you have to go to the Spring Boot project where you have made the project, and then you have to add this you have to perform these some of the commands over there. So let me go into the repository where let me go into the this is the folder where I have created this first Spring Boot project. I'm doing this, opening the terminal. Okay, now we will run those commands. So the first command is as we can see, the git init, right? So as of now, if you can see in this folder, there is no git folder. Now, once we run this, the first command git init. So what it will do, it will initialize this repository as a GitHub repository, and it will create this .git folder over there. So this .git folder is containing the configuration related to the GitHub, and it will track all of the changes, whatever you are making in your code, it will track all those changes. Okay. Now the second one, let me open this. In the second step, it is adding a README file, but that is fine. We are having a lots of files, so that is fine to us. Now the next command, it is running the git add the file name, right? So if you will check over there, if you will do the git status or something, git status, then you can see there are various untracked file over there. So first thing is that before committing, like we have to add those files in the commit, whatever you want to push into the GitHub. So the simple command is git add, and we have to mention the file name after the add, just like this git add readme.md. Okay, but now here I just wanted to commit everything, every files. So I will put as dot over there. Okay, now if you'll see the git status, so it will show everything in greens. That means these files added in the commit. Now the next thing is that we have to run this command git commit -m first commit. -m means message. Okay. So git commit -m. You can put any of the message, whatever you want. It's my first commit. First commit. Just enter. Okay. Now if you'll see the status, okay, so nothing to commit because we have already done the commit. Okay, now next command is branch command. Let me check the branch, in which branch we are. Is branch. It is a master branch. Now we have to run the next command, git remote add, and this is my branch. This is my repository, whatever I have created. Just I'm running this. It has been added. Now simple git push -u origin main. Instead of main, like at my side, the branch name is master branch. So git push -u origin master. It is saying that invalid username or password. Okay, now it is asking like to sign in the GitHub, like we have to log in with our account, whatever we have created on the GitHub. So I'm just logging into the talk with token. So now we have to generate a token onto the github.com. So just go over there and let's do one thing. Go to the settings, then down. No, not here. Go to here. Go to the settings. Go down. Developer setting. You can see an option, personal access token. Just click on this tokens classic. Tokens. Okay. So you have to provide some token. Spring. You can put any of the name. I'm just putting token over there. What is the expiration date of it? Like I'm just putting the expiration date as 7 day, and what all the access you want to give for this token. So I'm just putting all these access to it. Delete repo, admin. You can access whatever, you can choose whatever access you want for this particular token. Okay. And let me choose. Yeah. Now in the last you can see the generate token is there. So it will generate a token for you. Just copy this token and put it safely in your, you can save it in your notepad, because you can see it once and then it will, like you can't see on this token again on the GitHub console. So you have to copy and put this somewhere in your notepad or somewhere. Now I have copied it and go to connection to Git. Then I'm just putting it, I'm just putting this token over there. Sign in. Once we'll put the sign in, then you can easily see here, like something happens over there. Like it has been like uploaded some of the things. Okay, if you will come over there onto the GitHub, then we can easily see our project is there, and whatever message we have provided over there, that is our first commit, right? The first commit message we have provided in the over there. Now if you will come here, so basically these are the certain commands which we have run to upload our code or to upload the things. These are some commands. In between I missed one thing in it. After setting the GitHub, like you have to download and install the Git. So, github.com, create a repository. Then after this particular step, you have to download and install Git. So you have to go to Google and just put download Git. You click on the download. You can choose the Windows version. Once you will download and install the Git, then just go to the terminal and you can choose, you can just write Git over there, and then if it is giving the output like this, then that means your Git is installed and set up successfully. Then after it only you can run those commands, whatever is starting with the Git, right? I'm saying for these commands. So once you set up and install the Git in your system, properly, then only you can run those commands. Git add readme.md or something. So yeah, that's all for this video. Now if you will come into the code, let me open the code into the IntelliJ ones. Okay, now if I'm making any of the changes in it, let's say I'm just changing the port to 8081 to 8082. I'm just saving it and opening the terminal. So I'm inside this repository, inside this folder. So if I will do the git status, right? So it will show that change file to me. Like it is saying that now we have modified something in the application properties. Now the steps is the same. You have to get add. If you will put dot, then it will add all of the modified files. But as of now, we are having only one modified file, so it will add those. Add this only. Apart from it, we can just copy paste it and paste it here and just add. Now get, if you will see the git status again, then it will show in green color. That means it is added in the commit. Get commit -m. We can put the meaningful message, change port number. Get push. So it will push the changes into the master branch. Now if I'll go to the GitHub, right, and we can easily see the last. There are two commits that has been done. If I will open this commit, then we can easily see the change port is there, right? This one. So we can easily see whatever changes I have been done for it. For your point of view, what I have done, like I have listed some of the basic git command which you can use for commit, and this command is used to set the name. Like if I'll use this command, git config hyphen global user dot name and your name, right? So if I will run this command, so if you can see git config hyphen global user dot name hyphen global user dot name, and I'm just putting some of the name like code with anti. So the changes, whatever you can see, like as of now, if you can see here, like if I, yeah, you can see here Dell committed 1 minute ago, right? So the Dell name is there, but if I change the name like that, then mine, like this name will be there. So if I'll modify something over there, let me go to the code once again. Let's say I'm modified to first. Modify first Spring Boot. So if I'll see the again get status, it will show this file get add dot get commit -m change context path, right? Enter, get push. Now this time, if I'll go to the github.com, let's refresh it, going to the code. Now we can see there are 3 commits, and this time the name is code with anti. If we see all 3 commits, then you can see it, like those 2 commits earlier, it was done by Dell, and now this commit has been done by code with anti. So that's a simple thing. These are some commands that you can use. You can use in GitHub. Like these are some commands to set up the GitHub. These are the repository operations. These are the branching operations, remote repository, and undoing changes basically. So I hope so this video is clear to all of you. If any of the problem, just comment me. I'll reply on it. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.